Hi, can you share a little about yourself and your background?
Sure. This is Meenakshi here, and I have completed my post graduation in commerce and as well as in computer applications. And then after, currently I'm working with a US staffing company as a director. So yeah, and I have always been a little secured about my financial situations and the health situations. So yeah, that's all about me.
So, what led you to file a health insurance claim? Was it for a planned medical emergency or unexpected?
No, it was completely an unexpected medical emergency because my son, he's an office going and he suddenly had a pain and some symptoms occurred, and we had to rush him to the emergency. And there only it was diagnosed that he's, suffering with pneumothorax, which is basically, the where the air gets filled in the lungs, and it was all unexpected out of the blue.
Okay, so could you walk us through the process of filing your claim and what happened when it was rejected and what was the reason given by the insurance company?
All right. So basically, what happened that I had firstly I had my insurance with, and then I moved to, the another insurance company. I wouldn't like to name. If you want me to, I can, but that's okay. So that there was some issues with. So I moved to this insurance company, and it was just 8 months that I had ported my insurance, and it was cashless and everything. So when he was admitted, my son was admitted there in the hospital. So the cashless was rejected for the reason being listed like that. This diagnosis is like long. It is a previous illness kind of, which never happened because it was diagnosed first time. So they kind of rejected my cashless, and then I filed for the claim, and they rejected that also, given the same statement that he had this long term illness. And the issue was that the doctor who wrote the initial diagnosis, she got it misconfused between 3-4 days to 5-6 months, 3-4 months. So that was the major reason. But then hospital also kind of agreed, and they wrote us a written letter that it was our mistake, it was a miscommunication which happened, which I submitted to the insurance company. But they still rejected my claim even after multiple attempts, talking to them, sending them multiple emails over, and I had suffered a lot because that time my son, he was already in hospital. And then financial crisis, not crisis, but yes, financial burden is there. So but multiple attempts also didn't resolve this. They eventually just rejected my claim, and they kept on asking for the previous diagnostic documents, which I didn't had because my son never had that issue. So that was the reason of rejection.
How did you come across Insurance Samadhan and what prompted you to reach out to us and what were your initial expectations with us?
Actually, my son's friend only, she recommended me to Insurance Samadhan because she has some good reference there. And she told me that they have Insurance Samadhan in the past, they have helped out many people. So I just thought I will give it a consideration, instead of just dropping it off at some point. And I was hopeful that they could guide me through the the final good resolution about it, right? So that is what prompted me. And again, yeah, financial burden is something that really was another point I would like to add. So yeah, that is it.
Okay, so can you walk us through the steps Insurance Samadhan took to resolve your claim and how long did it take?
Okay, so for that, Insurance Samadhan initially, reviewed my case thoroughly. I provided them, whatever the documents I had submitted to, the insurance company for the claim, and I provided all the inside documentations, and also they helped me present my case in a very stronger way. They let me, they told me that how to proceed with that. I went through the same procedure, and again the insurance company rejected that. And then they informed me to go to ombudsman. So that was the next step, and they guided me through every step very carefully. They kept on following up with me until this issue was resolved. And it took about 5 to 6 months. Given said that the ombudsman takes a little time to revert back. There are the period of 45 to 90 days. So that took time, otherwise it would have been even sorted earlier. But yes, it got sorted in the end.
Would you recommend insurance samadhan to someone who is facing a similar issue?
Yes, absolutely, and in fact I already did also. I recommended to people, and yes, anybody who is going through any of the issues, whether it is health insurance, whether it is life insurance, everybody who is spending their money, investing their money, obviously they need some kind of support when in the time of need. So yes, I would anytime recommend Insurance Samadhan, because they give me the best resolution.
Okay, so any final thought or a message you would like to give to our viewers?
Yes, I would like to remind to everyone to review their policies carefully, right, and maintain all the documents which are required, and not to hesitate to seek any help which can be provided by Insurance Samadhan, or any external assistant that can be provided to them to resolve any such issues.